I think anybody who's from IIT and puts in their profile, be it on like a dating app or wherever, that they are from IIT. It's like people putting ex Microsoft on LinkedIn, right? मतलब जरूरत नहीं है. So yeah.
People will scroll and see that you were
They will
at
not give a
Microsoft.
fuck. Must be yourself, basically.
Yeah, but if their identity is that they went to IIT, then very little can help it.
हाँ, इसका मतलब IIT के बाद उन्होंने कुछ किया ही नहीं नोटवर्दी.
No, in there, I do sympathize because उन्होंने IIT के पहले भी सिर्फ IIT की तैयारी करी है. So not had the time to like have a personality or something. And if you have been lucky, you will probably meet them after they have graduated and 2-3 साल कुछ और कर लिया है, so they have some personality.
Yeah,
Otherwise, they don't have anything but IIT की कोचिंग और फिर IIT.
नहीं,
थोड़ा
फूड
सा.
लोग भी होते हैं IIT में, लेकिन वो लिखते नहीं है, इसलिए पता नहीं चलता होगा कि वो IIT के
And
हैं.
then you match with them and you are like shit, ये भी मतलब मैंने तो बिना IIT के स्वाइप किया था और ये भी IIT से निकला, like मेरी
Yeah.
खोटी किस्मत.
Yeah, मेरे लिए तो embarrassing है to put it on a dating platform that I am from IIT. पहले एक यंग इंडिया फेलोशिप डाल देता था, फिर अशोका यूनिवर्सिटी हैज आल्सो, मतलब I feel embarrassed, not as much as I am embarrassed about IIT, because Ashoka is filled with only talkers, great talkers, but nothing beyond it. And IIT is filled with very hard workers but very bad talkers. So
So
there's
that was
nothing.
my perspective. I was with this organization during my graduation, ISEC, IIT Delhi.
हम्म.
ISEC सुना ही होगा, exchange program
ऐसे तो
कराते हैं,
DPS RKP से भरा हुआ रहता है, वही टॉकर्स 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 कुछ.
toppers and all ना. तो वहां पे जितने भी IITians थे, mostly IIT दिल्ली से थे. So they were so skillful, so skilled, good photographers and everything. But उनका मुंह नहीं खुलता था. मतलब अगर अगर मेरे साथ वो एक टेबल पे बैठा है तो उसके हाथ से पसीने आने लग जाएंगे, ऐसा वाला था. बहुत
मैं
ज्यादा.
भी ऐसा वाला
तो
हुआ
मुंह नहीं
करता था
खुलता
एक
था.
जमाने में. एक जमाने में
And
ऐसे
then
ही
I
था.
met someone, and then I met someone else from IIT only. And then वो तो मतलब आफ्टर ग्रेजुएशन ही मिला, तो पूरा पर्सनालिटी में काम कर चुके थे, तो वही है.
I think their soft skills get made when they find a girlfriend, especially men from IIT.
Yeah.
They're,
But I
the
think they make good husbands.
why
They
do you
might
say
be
Yes,
so?
terrible
yes, yes,
boyfriends,
yes,
but
yes,
because
yes.
वो घिसाने का उनको इतना आदत है ना, in that way.
धनिया धनिया
Hmm.
लेकर आएंगे
वो
और उससे
धनिया लेकर
नेगोशिएट
आए.
भी करेंगे.
Yeah.
It's more middle
Not good
class, so I think.
boyfriends, but then very good husband materials.
Okay.
Yeah.
मुझे तो
Yeah, I think
लगता है
IIT guys are still a bit nicer and better, huh? IIM guys, you shouldn't touch. Like,
क्यों?
they are just so full of themselves in some ways. I feel like because they have gone to an IIM, right? वो तो IIT plus IIM is like they think they're the gods. So
That's why they have a
it's very
separate shadi.com, na? They have
Noted.
their own.
Noted.
They have their own shadi.com.
yeah.
वो उनको वही चाहिए. It's like doctors marry doctor, IIT IIM marry. क्योंकि I think anybody who goes to IIM, मेरा personal opinion है कि I think nobody goes to IIM for learning how to administer a business. They are going because उनको placement लगी नहीं अच्छी, या जहाँ पे मिल रहा है उनको दिख रहा है कि if you do an MBA you will get twice the package. That's the only bogus reality. MBA college, every MBA college is.
Package is the aim
तो
goal.
सही में बिजनेस एडमिनिस्टर करना सीखना है तो स्टार्टअप करो ना, मतलब ये क्या बकचोदी है. तो
उनको दूसरों का बिजनेस एडमिनिस्टर करना है.
हाँ, package is the main aim, then they are only looking for people with package only, ना, मतलब they don't care about if you don't have a package. It's very rare to find an IM person who is not commercial in mindset in choosing their partner. Yeah.
तभी तो ये भी जो डेट नॉट डेटिंग, ये शादी वो बना है ना प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर आईटी
IIT IM
नायम्स.
शादी, yeah. It's
हाँ.
another form of caste system,
व्हाट
ना.
इज दिस. हाँ. व्हाट इज दिस, मतलब कि डिस्गस्टिंग है भाई.
Yeah, I think we should also make like duchicks.com or something where like DU girls, hot DU girls get married or something like that.
With whom? What do you girls ही
Yeah,
आएंगे
that's
DU
also
मतलब
people
ये.
only.
DU
DU
girl
people
only.
only.
हाँ,
From
DU girl.
from Karorimal, all the Jats and Gujars.
Yeah.
yeah.
Close it with dating advice for young Indian men. Please go ahead.
Young Indian men.
I think more than a dating advice, it's just like a that phase के लिए advice, huh? don't date a hot woman if you don't want to marry a hot woman. Like, I think a lot of Indian men want to date a certain type of woman who's hot, outgoing, outspoken, and all of those things. And when it comes to actually wanting to get married, they're like, "Mummy nahi manegi."
The cocktail syndrome.
So, yeah, so either have a spine and date women and then marry them, which are your type, or just date a woman your mummy would agree to. Like, as simple as that. But I want to put it out there that Anmol is single, and if any eligible bachelor would want to reach out, they can reach out to Anmol,
To
No,
Ashmi,
no.
to her,
to
she
me,
will vet.
because I will screen first, or they can reach out to Harsh also, because Harsh is really good at screening
No,
people
don't put it out.
for his friends.
नहीं
देखो बेचारी,
शक्ल ही cringe बना ली है अनमोल.
नहीं,
मेरी सावधान इंडिया वाली फोटो आ जाएगी अभी. नहीं.